Hey everyone, this is Paul with Modern Driveline, and we're going to talk about the highlights of the new Modern Driveline tailshaft housing compatible for the new T-5Z, which can be used in Ford and GM applications. We'll talk more about that at a later time. Here is our new tailshaft housing. Modern Driveline logo, made in the USA, and it's compatible in all T5 world class and non-world class applications with this configuration. It is got a lot of new features compared to the S10 housing that a lot of people used for front shift conversions. For example, speedometer location has been moved forward 2 inches, which allows for an easy and convenient installation of a Ford cable so it can start that turn right away. And on Falcon applications, it has no interference to cross members or the substructure of the vehicle itself. It uses a conventional S10 mount in the same S10 location, which is compatible for a lot of other aftermarket items already out there, such as the Modern Driveline Falcon crossmember. Neat features about this also include a revised shifter. This here is a standard Mustang T5 shifter, obviously a new one as a takeoff unit from the T5 transmission and the standard Mustang tailshaft housing. It simply comes off, goes on into the new tailshaft housing with a shorter shift rail inside, same as the S10. The S10 features are also capable of being utilized by the position of the detent plate, which is common in our tailshaft housing and an S10. The difference being the offset block, which if you're familiar with S10, you understand this is shorter than the conventional Mustang, which is about 1.5 inches longer. This can be used in here along with this offset shifter. This shown is a 1-inch forward offset location. We can go an additional inch forward from that. So Mustang, S10, 1 inch, 2 inch. You can go up to about 9 3/4 inches forward or from the rear of the transmission case, which is really convenient. Other things that it's got is it's cut for a 0.8 gear set. So for 6-cylinder applications or racing applications, we can change that to a 0.8 gear set, going from the standard 0.63 gear set, which comes in the T5. There is also a 0.73 gear set available, which is better used for driving applications and 6 cylinders. This transmission, having the longer input shaft, standard length input of 7.12 inches, can be used behind GM bell housings, which makes it great for converting into a early street rod, like a 32 Ford with a Chevy motor. And again, we can put that shifter location more forward. So that's the highlights of the tailshaft housing. They can be purchased as a kit with the vent, seal, bushing, and detent plate, and the shift rail. That's a basic kit. We also offer it with the offset shifter and any support components you see here, as well as everything from the back of the engine block to the rear U-joint. Most applications, most cars, going from flatheads to modern classics. So if you have an application or a need for a shifter in a more forward location for a brand new T5 compared to the Mustang, which puts it right here, give us a call. Modern Driveline, 208-453-9800. Thanks and happy motoring.